Welcome to Computech World. In today's video, I will explain you how you can pin or unpin programs on the taskbar. What is the snap feature of Windows, and how we can display two or more windows side by side. So first of all, I will start demonstrating you how we can pin or unpin programs just like these icons on the taskbar. The difference is here we are not creating the shortcuts of the programs or softwares, or it can be also folders, not on the desktop. We are going to create them in the taskbar. So first of all, open your programs or select the program or folder which you want to set it as the shortcut on the taskbar. Right click on the program. As you can see, sometimes what you will get, if you are going to create a pin for the taskbar. Here I want to set this program. I want to set this program on the taskbar, but it is already being set on the taskbar, so it displays me this option unpin from start. So what I will do, I will choose another option. Choose the program, right click on it. It will show pin to start or more. Pin to start will set the icon of your selected program on these as in the form of these tiles in the start area, but here we want to set them as a shortcut icon on the taskbar. So go to the more option and select pin to taskbar. After this, you can see that now we are having the shortcut of that selected program as a pin in the form of pin on the taskbar. What if we want to remove it from the taskbar? Right click on this program and select this option, unpin from taskbar. It will remove the program from the taskbar. Now I will show you what is the jump list. Suppose if I am going to open any software, jump list is another unique feature of Windows which enables us to directly open the documents, pictures, songs and websites that we have been using more often. It actually shows a list with some frequently using actions. I will show you. Minimize the program. On the taskbar, on the minimize icon, right click on it. Okay, this is the jump list. This is the jump list. It depends, the actions or the options depends according to the program on which we have right click. Alright, now the third option for today which I will show you is show window side by side. For example, Here I have opened Microsoft Office software, and at the same time I want to work on the Paint software also. I'm going to open the Paint program. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to create the drawings by looking at the Word window, or I want to type something by looking at the Paint window, but it is not happening. As you can see, when I'm clicking on the Word window, the Paint window hides, and when I'm clicking on the Paint window, the Word window hides. So what I want to do, I want to work on both the windows, both the softwares at the same time simultaneously. So the steps are: right click on the empty area of the taskbar. You will get a jump list. Here, click on this option, show windows side by side.